Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a unique and wonderful girl named Luna Lovegood. Luna had bright green eyes that sparkled like stars and hair that was as wild and free as the wind. One night, Luna decided to go on an adventure. She packed her bag with a magnifying glass, a book about invisible creatures, and a bottle of ginger beer. The moon was shining brightly, and the forest was silent as Luna set off. As she walked, she saw a strange creature hiding behind a tree. It was an invisible pixie. But Luna wasn't afraid. She pulled out her magnifying glass and focused on the spot where she thought the pixie was hiding. Sure enough, the pixie appeared. Luna asked the pixie if it would like to join her on her adventure. The pixie agreed, and they set off together. They saw a talking owl, a family of friendly trolls, and even a giant squash that was bigger than Luna's house. Luna taught the pixie all about the magic of the forest, and the pixie showed Luna how to see the magical creatures that others couldn't see. They had a wonderful time together, laughing and exploring. As the sun began to rise, Luna and the pixie said their goodbyes. Luna promised to visit again soon, and the pixie promised to help Luna find more magical creatures. Luna returned home, her heart filled with joy and excitement. She couldn't wait to tell her friends about her adventure with the invisible pixie. And as she drifted off to sleep, she knew that she would always remember this magical night in the forest with Luna Lovegood.